All right, let's do the market wrap up. Good evening, traders. Today is August 20th, 2024. This is the BYOB Market Wrap Up. Let's take a look at some charts. All right, first chart we'll look at SPY on the 10-minute chart. We got a 10-minute downtrend going into the close. 2-hour chart. Still got a 2-hour uptrend going into the close. Daily, still have a daily uptrend going into the close. Got a little doji candle, higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. So there's SPY. Let's take a look at QQQ. QQQ, same doji candle, same deal. Higher low, higher high, still in an uptrend. SPY, still in an uptrend. Diamond Dow, still in a downtrend till they break this high right here. All right, little doji candle, it's the high there, 409.32. High here, 409.35. So higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. Let's take a look at IWM. IWM got a lower high and a lower low, closing inside the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. Diamond Dow, IWM still in downtrends. FNGU now in uptrend. FNGU is now in an uptrend, got a higher low and a higher high, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. FNGU now up over all-time high anchored VWAP. Just don't like the candle. All right. Looks like a, gravestone or a cross, bearish cross right there on FNGU. Let's take a look at the technicals. Spent our day inside, most of the day inside the buyer's chop zone. Some of the day inside the buy zone. Got tossed out of the overbought zone. So here we are inside, most of the day inside the buyer's chop zone, and here's the seller's chop zone, sell zone, oversold zone. Didn't spend any time below the midpoint there. We're still bullish. T22, T21.22, T21.23. Almost green from the beginning of the day to the end of the day. Had a little VWAP pullback there with a couple of red candle bars on T21.23 15-minute chart. Still up over this hooking 200 SMA, looking to fill that gap. Like to see us fill the gap. Got a little further to go. T21.23 3 bar. We've got price action up here. Another 3 candle bars, green ones, and still a little bit of space in there between price action and the 17 EMA. Up over rising 200 SMA, like that. Like to see us melt up, create a brand new high. That's what I'd like to see. T21.23. FNGU, little green, a little bit of green, a little bit of red, a lot more green, a little bit of red, a lot more green. Just spent the day consolidating right underneath VWAP here on FNGU. Still bullish, moving up and over to the right. That is bullish. Hanging out on top of the 200 SMA. That is bullish. I like that. It's pretty nice there for FNGU. Got a ways to go, though. Like to see it. Looked like we hit some resistance right there at 432. Got to climb up on top of that resistance and use it as support and consolidate above it. I'd rather see us consolidate on top of it instead of underneath it. Good news, they're just melting up, FNGU. Let's take a look at a few of the sectors. Start off with the energy sector, USO. USO is in a downtrend, but it thinks it's USO is in an uptrend, thinks it's in a downtrend. All right, if it breaks this low, it will be in a downtrend. Price action for today, lower high, lower low, closing under the bearish trap, under the 17 EMA. So USO still in an uptrend, but doesn't know it. All right, so UNG is in an uptrend. Today's price action got a lower high and a lower low, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. UNG uptrend, USO uptrend. SLV also in an uptrend, made a higher high and a higher low, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. Silver also in an uptrend, taking out this high right here. GLD also in an uptrend, making brand new all-time highs. Right there, higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. SMH also in an uptrend, taking out this high right here. Nice move there for SMH. Today's price action, inside day, lower high, higher low, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. XLK is in an uptrend, taking out this high right here. Today's price action, little doji candle with a higher low and a higher high, closing over the bullish trap. That's still bullish. That's in an uptrend. XLK in an uptrend. SMH in an uptrend. Silver and gold, both in uptrends. Nat gas and crude oil, petroleum, both in uptrends. What else do we got here? Let's take a look at XLI, see what the industrials are doing. Industrials got to take out this high right here. All right, and I think that is an all-time high for the industrials. It's kind of a tall order to take out the all-time high, but they did kind of cave right here. So industrials still in a downtrend till they take out the all-time high. They are working on that. You can see today's price action got it. Looks like a higher low and a higher high, closing over the bullish trap and the 17 EMA. XRT, that's our retail sector. Still got to take out this high right here to be in an uptrend. Not there yet. Still in a downtrend. Okay, let's take a look at XLF. This is our financials. Financials have not taken out the high yet, but they're close. They're leaning on it. All right, they're up here in the same section where sellers were located before. XLF still in a downtrend. XRT still in a downtrend. XLI still in a downtrend. And XLK, technology and semiconductors, both in uptrends. Let's take a look at IYT, transports. Transports were close to taking out this high right here. Looking like some consolidation. So we got higher low, higher high, closing over the bullish trap over the 17 EMA. This is bullish, but still in a downtrend till it takes out that high. Technically, as soon as it takes that out, it'll be in an uptrend. Not far. Not far. Could be some good news tomorrow that could wake up a few of these other sectors and produce uptrends tomorrow. Mainly XLF and IYT. All right, traders, that's it for today. Everybody have a wonderful evening. Thank you for being here. Hope you all made some money today. Today was a little bit of a range bound. What did we play on SPY on the 10-minute chart? We played this first move right there to the upside. All right, first move to the upside, and from there they never got any follow through. They came back and they couldn't bounce it at all. Tried to bounce it up there, couldn't do it. Tried to bounce it up there again, lost it. So kind of consolidating over here to the right. There's an uptrend line right there. They kind of got caught right on top of that. So there's SPY for today. All right, everybody, have a wonderful evening. Do I expect SPY to go down? I expect it to move to the right. If it goes down, I think that buyers will step in and buy it right back up. I expect it to go down to 558. 558, which is, I think it's at 558. It's at 558.89 right now. Overnight, we got lower highs. I'm expecting lower lows. All right, way to go, Brad. I love it. I love it, Brad. Way to go. Yeah, not the easiest day. A little bit of Too much crossing with the 3 EMA. You know, up, over, now under, and over, now under, now over, now under, now over again. Yeah. You went long Microsoft. Way to go, Robert. I expect a little bit of profit taking for some of them, yes. I do expect consolidation over to the right. I think they will let some of the hedge funds or the funds take some profits, and I think buyers will step in and buy it right back up. There's nothing bearish about this. This is all bullish. This has been going up for a while. There's nothing bearish going on. Could they pull back to 558? Well, they hit it earlier today, right there. So, I mean, it's entirely possible that they wind up somewhere down here tomorrow. We'll see. Remember, we got FOMC tomorrow, and looks like the market bought this right back up. See this 3-day sell-off? They bought all of this right back up. And now they're within striking distance of attacking the all-time highs. We got an open gap right up here. All right, traders, everybody have a wonderful evening. Thank you for being here.